And the race is on. Green Lane from the outside. Royal Fair, Stormy Norman. Rushing up is Escapo alongside his Admiral Contender. Rushing up is Flying Eyes, Foxtrot, and Pay to See second last, while Sharp Eye is the trailer. Is Stormy Norman by 3/4 of a length, rushing up Green Lane. Escapo down on the inside. Royal Fair, Admiral Contender is racing in fifth from the outside, rushing up is Pay to See, and running down on the inside, Flying Eyes, Foxtrot, and Sharp Eye. Rounding the far turn, Stormy Norman, Escapo down on the inside, and Green Lane, Admiral Contender. Royal Fair, Pay to See is running 6 by some 3 lengths, Flying Eyes, as they race the last 500. Is Stormy Norman by some 2 lengths. Green Lane is on the outside. Escapo, Admiral Contender, Pay to See, Royal Fair, Flying Eyes. Entering the last 150 meters more to run is Stormy Norman. Green Lane is on the outside. It's now Green Lane from the outside. Stormy Norman, and finally Green Lane is Stormy Norman. Pay to See, Admiral Contender, Royal Fair, Escapo.
Tayo na.